Hello, English Vibes friends! Welcome back to our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we make English super easy and fun. I'm Tom, your happy teacher. Haha.
Hi, Tom. Hi, friends. I'm Anna. I learn English too.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you? It's a good day for chatting.
I'm great. This is episode 10, our last one. Basic conversations like how are you and thank you.
Yes, it's simple and friendly for beginners. What's your favorite chat, Tom?
Oh, saying hello and goodbye. Friends, we'll chat about small talk and polite words. It's like a fun friend meetup.
I like friend chats. They're easy and nice.
We'll practice in real talks with questions and answers. You can join at home.
Ready? Subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments. What's your go-to hello? Maybe hi or hello. We'll read the best ones soon.
This is from our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we learn easy words to talk in English. Want more? Tell us in the comments. Let's start chatting. Okay, Anna, let's chat about basic hellos. I'm at a cafe. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. And you? Nice to see you.
I'm fine. What's new? Sit down?
Yes, please. I like coffee here. Do you?
Me too. Friends, repeat our hello chat. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Hey, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Now my turn. Goodbye, chat. Bye. See you later.
How was your day? Bye. It was fun. Thank you for the talk. What about yours?
Good. Please come again. Take care.
Will do. Friends, repeat. Bye. See you later. It was fun.
Bye. See you later. It was fun. Bye. See you later. It was fun.
Anna, polite words like please and thank you.
Yes. Excuse me. Can I have water, please? Thank you.
Good. I say thank you for help. You're welcome.
Perfect. Friends, repeat. Excuse me, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, please. Thank you.
Time for a mini game. Chat starter. I start a hello. Anna adds, you add at home. Ready? Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What's up? Your turn, friends. Add a question.
Nice chats. Solo practice. Say, hi, how are you? And answer, I'm good. Now, Anna, let's build chats for meeting friends. Imagine park time. Hi, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm happy. Nice weather. And you?
I'm good too. Want to walk, please?
Yes, thank you. What's your plan today?
Just chat. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, sit, please. Friends, repeat our meetup. Hi, how are you today?
I'm happy. Hi, how are you today? I'm happy.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Hi, how are you today? I'm happy.
Okay, polite chat. Tom, can I borrow your book, please?
Sure, here you go. Thank you for asking. What next?
Thank you. You're welcome. Do you like reading?
Yes, it's fun. Friends, repeat. Can I borrow, please? Thank you.
Can I borrow, please? Thank you.
Can I borrow, please?
Let's add a question. How was your weekend? Anna, ask me.
How was your weekend? Mine was good.
Great, mine too. We went to the park.
Sounds nice. Friends, repeat. How was your weekend? Mine was good.
How was your weekend? Mine was good. How was your weekend? Mine was good.
Now a little story chat. Tom, I'm late. Sorry, excuse me.
No problem. How are you? Sit down.
Thank you. I'm okay now. Please pass the water.
Here, what happened?
Bus was late. You're kind. Friends, make your own story chat. Say, sorry, excuse me. How are you? Now add, thank you.
Let's add not. I'm not late today.
Good. I'm not tired. Let's chat more.
Yes, friends, repeat. I'm not late. Let's chat more. I'm not late. Let's chat more.
I'm not late. Let's chat more.
One more meetup. At shop. Anna, hi. Need help?
Hi. Yes, please. Where is the book?
Over there. Thank you for asking. Goodbye.
Not yet. Buy later. Friends, try a shop chat. Say, hi. Need help? Yes, please.
Okay, Anna, let's practice full friend chats. Round 1. Cafe meet. Hi, my name is Tom. How are you?
Hi. My name is Anna. I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Excuse me, what's good here? Please recommend.
Coffee. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Tea for me. You're welcome. Great chat.
Yes. Friends, repeat Anna's lines. My name is Anna. I'm fine, thank you. Now say your own cafe chat.
Round 2. Good morning. My name is Tom. How was your day?
Good morning. My name is Anna. It was busy. Thank you. What about yours?
Relaxing. Please sit. Excuse me, want water?
Yes, thank you. You're kind. Bye for now.
See you. Friends, join in. Say, good morning. My name is. How was your day? Ask and answer 2 polite words. Now our game, chat chain. I start, Anna adds, you keep it going. Ready? Hi, my name is Tom. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. What's new?
Not much. Please join me. Your turn, friends. Add a question. One more chain. Hi, my name is Tom. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you.
Quick round. Say, hi, how are you? Answer, I'm fine. Add, thank you.
Please, more chats.
Final repeat. Our big phrase, twice, slow. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Medium. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Anna, you're a chat star. Friends, practice these talks every day, and you'll chat like a pro. Thanks, Anna. You're the best.
Thank you, Tom. It was fun.
Wow, what a great series end. Subscribe, share, and comment your chat story, like, hi, I'm from Stars. We'll read them all. Bye from Tom and Anna.